lot of gratitude to Mr. Mukesh for motivating me enough to accept the 21-day challenge, which is not only a diet challenge but a lifestyle challenge. Because not only during quarantine, but when there is a shift in your life where you are working and then just being a homemaker, or you have taken up a different routine altogether for yourself, there is a lot of mood swings also which happen, especially for a woman like me who is at menopause and who has had a lot of menopausal problems as well in the past. So I have accepted this 21-day challenge, and yes, since then I have lost 2 kgs. I am yet to follow it by 100% because I am not able to do my home exercise. However, my pranayam and the chakra healing that I learned from him has been helping me to keep up my spirits and keep up my positivity while doing all the work in the house which we are not used to doing in absence of maids. Also, there are few tweaks in not only what and how much I used to eat, but in the routine of what I should eat when. That's very important for us to know, because breaking the habit of tea for me was really challenging. Probably I would have done it just once in life till now, and yes, I'm not missing my tea anymore. Few tweaks in not only what and how much I used to eat, but in the routine of what I should eat when. That's very important for us to know, because breaking the habit of tea for me was really challenging. Probably I would have done it just once in life till now, and yes, I'm not missing my tea anymore. I'm so happy to have that detox in the morning, and it keeps me still triggered enough to go throughout the day, because generally we go by the myth that चाय पीने से ताजगी आती है, बट ऐसा कुछ मुझे 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 अभी लग रहा है कि it was just my mindset. It's nothing to do with what a tea can do with you in after having the tea. So I'm really looking forward, and for sure I vouch I am his customer for lifetime. He is an amazing dietitian, a doctor. He knows to handle your emotional and mental anxieties, and the description that he's given in his video is so much more than ever a doctor can tell you. So thank you so much, and I'm really looking forward to lose more, and I'm happy to accept this challenge of 21 days.